Have you ever wondered what the world will really look like in just a couple of years? Forget the flying cars and robot butlers from old sci-fi movies. The year 2026 is poised to bring an AI revolution so profound, it'll make today's tech look like ancient history. We're not just talking about smarter chatbots or better photo filters. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and create. Get ready, because we're about to pull back the curtain on the AI-powered world of 2026, and it's far beyond the hype you've heard. The biggest game changer won't be AI that just responds to our commands. It will be Agentic AI. Imagine this, an autonomous AI agent that acts as your personal chief of staff. It doesn't just remind you about your appointments. It schedules them by negotiating with other AIs, books your travel by finding the best deals in real time, manages your investment portfolio based on your financial goals, and even orders your groceries, knowing exactly when you're running low on milk. This isn't about giving up control. It's about gaining the ultimate assistant, a digital twin that handles the mundane complexities of life, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters to you. By 2026, these AI agents will become the new operating system for our lives, an invisible, intelligent layer that makes everything seamless. Now, let's talk about creativity. For decades, we've believed that art, music, and storytelling were exclusively human domains. But 2026 will challenge that notion in a big way. We're projecting that a staggering 75% of creative production, from blockbuster movies to viral marketing campaigns, will be significantly shaped by AI. Think about a film director describing a scene, and an AI instantly generates a dozen photorealistic virtual sets to choose from. Or a musician humming a melody, and an AI composes a full orchestral arrangement around it in minutes. AI will become the ultimate creative co-pilot. It won't replace the artist, it will amplify them. This will democratize creativity on a scale we've never seen before, allowing anyone with an idea to bring their vision to life with professional-grade quality. The bottleneck will no longer be technical skill, but pure, unadulterated imagination. But what does this mean for us, for the human element in all of this? This is where the true magic of 2026 lies. It's not about a world run by machines, but a world enhanced by them. The future is all about human-AI synergy. While AI will handle the complex data analysis, the logistical nightmares, and the repetitive tasks, it will be our human touch, our empathy, our intuition, and our authenticity that become more valuable than ever. A doctor will use AI to diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, but it's their human compassion that will deliver the news and comfort the patient. A marketing team will use AI to analyze market trends, but it's their human understanding of culture that will create a campaign that truly connects with people. The most successful people and companies will be those who master this delicate dance between technological power and genuine human connection. So, as we stand on the cusp of 2026, let's look beyond the fear and the hype. We are not heading towards a dystopian future, but an age of unprecedented potential. An era where AI agents empower our daily lives, where our creative visions are unleashed like never before, and where our human qualities become our greatest assets. The AI revolution isn't about replacing us. It's about unlocking a better version of us. The future is closer than you think, and it's going to be extraordinary. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the near future. If you're as excited as I am about what's to come, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the technologies shaping our world. See you in the next one.